Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Crop Gallery widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on. On the screen, you see the crop widget being docked inside the page. Normally the gallery looks plain and simple with the images showing up front, and once hovered, it triggers an animation with the image shrinking down a bit while revealing the title and meta content. That's the animation effect for the gallery widget. Now on your left, you'll find the controls to change the shape of the content. Fun fact, you can select custom content or dynamic query as the source of the widget. Selecting dynamic query will load the existing posts inside the widget interface just like this. Then from the query section, you can use the include filter to display only specific posts or group of posts. But let's work with the custom content source. Below the top, there are row gap, column gap, and item height scroll bars. You may adjust the gaps to change the white spaces between the items. The controls below are for the item alignment, masonry switcher, show title, and meta switchers, content alignment, and image size. At the bottom, you can select media file for the link option while setting the lightbox to yes. That way, clicking the items will open the images in the lightbox. Next, the items section is where all widget items are listed inside. You can add more items by clicking the add item button, or you can reduce the numbers by clicking the cross icon at the end of the item boxes. Now opening an item box will give you a media type option, an image field, a title field, a media field, and a custom URL field. At the bottom, there is an item hidden switcher too. Let's add an image here. Click on the image field and choose an image from your media library. Then add a similar title for the image. Using the grid controls, you can adjust the shape of the individual items both vertically and horizontally. Even for the second item, we can go for the same approach. Let's erase one at the bottom, then customize the rest of the items and complete the gallery. Once you're done with it, you are left with a nice looking gallery interface that's both interactive and charming at the same time. What's more, you can add an interest animation to the widget and make it more dynamic. Now, jumping into the Style tab. From the first section, you can add border radius values to round the edges of the image items. Then select a solid border and adjust the border width values. Of course, set a nice soothing color for the border also. Then going into the title section, you can make the title white in color while changing the font style using options inside the typography. The same kind of changes can be applied to the meta text through the next section down here. With tiny changes to the appearance like this, you can create lots of amazing image galleries with ease. That's all for the Crop Gallery widget. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.